Hey guys, this is Rakina from EnglishWise Sydney CBD branch. So I'm here with two of our successful students today. She's Karina from Chile. She is Magdalena from Argentina. They both have been able to get their 65 points so that they can work as veterans here in Sydney, Australia. They've already begun. Now they're super happy for getting more than what they desired. So how are you feeling, guys?
Good. Yeah, excited. We finally did it. Yeah, it was a hard work. So we took the 1 month class. So we were really on schedule to do the stuff, and we succeed.
They're happy and they're successful now, right? Okay. Actually, they got more than what you desired for, right? I think I'll start with Maggie. Maggie, she got 90 in speaking, although her desired score was 65, so she got 90. How did you make it possible, Maggie?
I think just following the strategies that you guys gave us, being consistent and hardworking. Practice, always following the strategies, paying attention and coming here to the lab. We have some online classes because it was the time of the COVID, so we have some Facebook videos to follow with the strategies. But yeah, Karina and I, we live far away from here, but we used to come at least three days
times
a week.
Weekends, special weekends.
Yeah, and spend 3-4 hours here on the lab working. So and practice. Practice.
And hear the feedback.
Practice and following the strategies, because sometimes you think you can do better, but actually it's all the strategies that you guys gave us.
So strategies made you magical, Maggie. Okay. What about you, Karina? Despite being a mother, how did you make it possible to get your desired score?
First, listening the teachers. Especially I struggle a lot with the write from dictation and repeat sentence. Because I have a baby, I couldn't sleep well, so my mind was and I was listening, I can do it by just remembering, and I never could. But then I started following the strategies to do the initials. Then at the beginning I said, I write the initials, and I couldn't remember what was the initials.
Exactly.
So I start from there, and I was like, oh my God. And then practice, and actually, and then I smashed it with doing that. Just write the initials and for the repeat sentence and the write from dictation.
Exactly, that's true. Repeat sentence and write from dictation, they are challenging.
Yes.
So because you have to, in these questions, you have to listen to a sentence and just once.
Yeah.
You can't ask the computer for a second chance on a second recording, right?
Yes.
So you listen to it once and you feel like, okay, I can do it. You listen to the sentence, you feel like, okay, I can memorize it and I can put it back. But you don't have time.
Yeah. So when they're short, you are able to repeat, but most of them they are 15 words, and you can't remember the 15 words. So putting the initials was really helpful. Plus, in my case that I work and I have a baby, doing every day, I have to separate hours. For me it was nighttime, 3 hours, and then to practice what I need more, that was read aloud and repeat sentence and write from dictation. So every night, like that, consistently. Even if sometimes I was tired, have a coffee and keep going. And
wow, that's a lot of hard work, right?
Yeah.
So basically, you guys made it possible using the strategies.
Yes.
And consistency in your practices. Hard work and consistency, right? And then, how was the experience with our labs? Because labs, you were there in our face-to-face classes, you were there in our online classes, in the afternoon you were in the labs, in the evening you were there in the online classes, right? How helpful were they?
Well, I think it was really helpful. You guys are amazing, not just teachers. You are good people. You really support us and understand us.
And give us motivation to
and you understand us as individuals. You know us. You know everyone's name, and you know everyone what is she struggling with or what I'm struggling with. That's really nice of you. So all your patience.
It was beyond the expectation.
Actually, when we enrolled, we didn't have much expectation. Just to do the course like everywhere else.
Uni lectures.
But then when we came here and everyone knew your name, that makes already a difference. and then they know and they go and they try to fix your problem, like, and also they always give you like a hope, like a positive mind, because some days I was, for example, I was like that's not for me, but there were you guys and like, no, like you can, so that helps a lot in your mind, how to keep going. And
positivity also helps you get the score, right?
And all the advice every time in the labs, also when we do some practice, you always give an advice, or you're okay, but you can do this, and so that helps a lot.
That helps a lot in getting a score. And in a month's time, you were here like 2 or 3 days in a week, so 3, 4, 12 classes probably, and you got more than what you desired, right?
Yes.
So any advices, Maggie, which you would like to give to our viewers?
Just following the strategies and practice. Just like Karina said before, take 3-4 hours a day and do the amount of repeat sentence or read alouds or describe the image. And keep following the strategies, because all the strategies, I think that's the key.
That's the key. So it doesn't matter where you belong from, but it works.
It works.
Okay. And open your mouth when we speak. Well, in English or Spanish?
I think because they are from South America, I would want Karina to say some words for your South American fellows.
Como venía diciendo, practicar harto. Por ejemplo, la pronunciación, para nosotros que tenemos un acento bien fuerte, necesitamos practicar y abrir la boca. Para mí, al principio, yo hablaba así como y no se entiende. Entonces, para nosotros, abrir la boca, tratar de pronunciar las palabras, practicar, lo que decía de las iniciales, que al principio, de verdad, yo no creía. Dije, no, esto no va a funcionar conmigo. De verdad, uno empieza, los practica y empieza a agarrarle la mano y empieza a hacerlo y funciona, de verdad que funciona. Practicar, muchos de ustedes a lo mejor estudian, trabajan, dedicarle tiempo, 3 horas al menos al día sin dejarlo de pasar, porque uno dice, no, ya hoy día no, estoy cansado, no lo hago. No, todos los días, porque la repetición es lo que ayuda. Y harta práctica nomás, harto práctica y sí se puede, teniendo hijos y trabajando, estudiando. Se puede.
Anything from you, Maggie?
In Spanish?
Okay, whatever.
Bueno, a mí no me costó tanto, por suerte. Creo que mi tono de voz es diferente, pero sí, las estrategias, seguir las estrategias y estudiar todos los días con consistencia, y se puede. Nosotros con Karina en 4 semanas logramos más de 65 puntos, que sería el equivalente a un 7 en un IELTS, y bueno, generalmente cuesta mucho más. Así que bueno, muy contentas.
Y vengan para acá porque de verdad son buenas personas. Aparte de profesores, son buenas personas, te hacen sentir bien. Te hacen sentir que tú puedes, porque hay días que uno empieza como a decaer, pero no, ellos te levantan y son muy buenas personas. Muy feliz de haber escogido este instituto.
Thank you guys for speaking so beautifully. I didn't understand, but speaking so fluently, beautifully. And yes, guys, so if you want to be one of our South American friends who get more than what they desire in a month's time, like these guys said, our strategies do work, and it works despite being from any nationality. It's just that the strategies, your feedbacks, your consistent practice will help you get your desired score in PT as soon as possible. Thank you so much for being with us, guys, today.
Thank you.